Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to beat level 4662 on Pet Rescue Saga. This level requires careful planning to save all the pets. Focus on clearing specific blocks to create paths and activate boosters efficiently. Remember, every move counts, so think a step or two ahead to maximize your board clear and pet rescues. Let's get started with the core strategy. First, take a moment to analyze the board. You'll encounter metal boxes and pet cages that are crucial to clear. Prioritize matching 3 or more blocks of the same color to remove them. Strategically use your line blaster to clear rows or columns and the blockbuster for stubborn individual blocks. These boosters are your best friends for making progress. To rescue the pets, focus on creating large matches to charge your boosters faster. Aim to clear blocks directly beneath the pets to help them descend. Sometimes, it's better to make a smaller match that sets up a larger one or positions a pet for an easier drop. Remember, the goal is to save a minimum of 6 pets, so keep that in mind with every move. Finally, here are some advanced tips. Always be on the lookout for opportunities to create bomb boosters by matching 4 or more blocks. These can clear large sections of the board. Avoid wasting moves on blocks that don't contribute to pet rescue or booster charging. Sometimes, a fresh perspective after a short break can reveal new strategies. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.